Hi, today we're going to be looking at the November Beauteque Beauty Box. I've done a couple of these, so I won't go too much into the packaging and such. Let's begin. There we go. Cut that open. Bon Voyage is a theme this month. Travel season. A little Instagram challenge. Here is the insert for the month. Bon Voyage. Let's open it up. Oh, love it. All right, let's move this a little bit back. So this looks like a little adorable little travel case, which will be awesome for our cruise. Which, by the way, there will be a whole series of videos on how to prepare for a cruise, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh! JM Solution Honey Luminous Royal Propolis Powder Cleanser. Easy single-use capsule contains enough nourishing powder to cleanse your face and neck. That's really, really cool. Oh, this is adorable. Aloe Vera Soothing Mist. Nice. Oh yes, Messy Hair Essence Tissue. I don't know what it is. Let's withhold judgment. Mison Snail Repair Eye Cream. And of course, we got a mask. Bubble Peeling Pad. Cool. Alright. So let's read our insert. TSA Friendly Travel Cosmetics Kit. Yay! Awesome! Perfect hair for every pick. Apu Messy Hair Essence Tissue. Smooth out messy travel hair before arriving at your final destination with these hair tissues. Remove dirt and oil from your roots and help refresh your look. That's a cool idea. JM Honey Luminous Royal Propolis Powder Cleanser. You don't have to worry about liquid soap spilling in your luggage with these easy single-use powders. That's really cool. Wish Formula C200 Bubble Peeling Pad. Throw this face sponge into your overnight bag and your skin will thank you. The peeling base contains AHAs and vitamin C to gently exfoliate. Skin Pastel Aloe Vera Smoothing Mist. Refresh your skin after a long day with this soothing aloe mist. And Mison Snail Repair Eye Cream. Awesome. As always, I love this box. This is one of my favorite boxes, as you well know if you are familiar with my channel at all. And so please stay tuned. I will likely have these boxes monthly for the foreseeable future. This is Beauteque Beauty Box. It's under 25 bucks a month for it to come to my house and deliver me these products. They have another option for a Mask Maven box, and I will leave a link below so you can check out their website and get more details about this. Otherwise, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next month. Bye!